In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process for Karnataka State NEET UG 2026 online application process. The Karnataka State is an open state. Non-domicile candidates can also apply for Karnataka State private colleges. Now let's start the video. This is the home page. The website is cetonline.karnataka.gov.in. So this is the home page. You need to click on admission, then UG NEET 2026. You also have an option for English. Click on this and you see the first a link which is 2026 online application link. Click on that for new registration and you will be redirected to the registration page. Scroll down, click on new registration. Okay, as you see here, you need to fill up few details before you create ID and password. So it will ask you, have you completed SLC from Karnataka State Board, Government of Karnataka? If you are a domicile of Karnataka, click on yes and fill the registration number of your 10th standard. And if you click on no, which board, 10th, and your passing year. And enter your 10th standard roll number and click on verify. So once you click on verify, you need to fill up your name as per the SLC, mass card, your date of birth, gender, father name, mother name, stat number which is optional if you have. And here is an option, choose registration method. So you have 3 methods. You can select any one and proceed. So once you verify, you will be redirected to KYC service page. So you need to fill up your Aadhaar number, read the instruction. It's been given in English as well over here and Kannada. You need to read and you need to choose mode for authentication. You have 4 options. You can choose any one of them. So once you choose the registration method, you will be redirected to the next page wherein you have to select what's your qualification, nationality, enter your email address, registered mobile number, and here you need to create password, minimum 8 characters, and you need to upload your photo, max is 50 KB, and enter the CAPTCHA. So once you fill up all the details, an ID will be generated with the password. So you need to go back to the login page, enter the ID, password, and log in through OTP. So once you click on OTP, you will be redirected to this page. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and then click on verify. So once you log in, you will be redirected to the home page. And as you see, there are 2 options. Click on previous year data, edit details. And it will ask you, did you appear for CET, NEET, NATA Counseling 2025? If it's yes, click on yes, no. Then click on update previous data. Then OK, next. And you will be redirected to the general details. Over here, you need to fill up your basic details such as your address as per the Aadhaar card, your religion, mother tongue, your qualification, and click on save general details. So once you fill up the general details, you will be redirected to the study details. And as you see here, from 1st to 12th standard, you need to fill up individually. 1st standard, you need to click on first, passing year, board, which state, district, school name with full address. You can enter the school name and address you can mention as your area or district. What was the school type? This was the option. School area, study medium, and click on add study details. Once you click on add study details, the 1st standard details will be reflecting over here. Then again you need to go up, select second, and individually you need to select until 12 and fill up all the details. Click on next And over here you also have one more option. If this is applicable only for those parents who have studied more than 7 years in the state of Karnataka. If it's yes, no, NA, you can click here and then click on save. So once you fill up the study details, you will be redirected to the eligibility clause page. You need to select the eligibility clause. Y is for non-domicile candidates, Z is for NRI. From clause A to O is for domicile of Karnataka. Before selecting any clause, please read the clause details, then select and click on save. This is most important. So let's move on to the next page, which is reservations. So as you see, it says, do you want to claim Karnataka? Do you want to claim category other than GM? So if you are non-domicile of Karnataka, click I want to claim general merit. If you have any reservations such as SC, ST, Hyderabad, 2A, 2B, so you need to enter the RD number and click on check RD number. And this is about the, it says, do you want to claim income? So if your income is more than 8 lakh, click on this. If your income is less than 8 lakhs and only for GM and SC, ST, if you click on this, you need to have the certificate and enter the RD number. And this is for Kalyan Karnataka reservation, which is basically for Hyderabad Karnataka region. If you have the certificate, check the RD number. If no, I will not claim HK. You can just click on this. And this is about the rural quota. Jammu and Kashmir migrant. For everything you need to, even if you click no, you need to save. Please make sure you save that. Okay. Reservation for medical, dental, nursing. This for religious minority. This is for the St. John's reservation. If you want to claim a St. John reservation, if you click on yes, it will ask you to select. These are the options. Just have a look on this. And if you select no, I will not claim for St. John's. Success. I need to uncheck all the boxes and click on save information. And you will be redirected to the next page. The next page is about the special category claims. So as you see here, it says, do you want to claim any special category such as NCC, sports, defense, ex-defense, physical handicap and more, etc. If you uncheck the box, or if you just click on this, so you will have these options. If no claims, save as no claim. Click on next. And as you see, the next page is all about the NRI. So candidates who are claiming for NRI, if you click on yes, it will ask you all the details such as like NRI sponsored, name, citizenship, passport number, PAN number, and what's the relation. You need to fill up all the details and click on save NRI. So if you're not applying for NRI, you can just click on no and proceed with next. And once you click on next, you'll be redirected to the documents upload page, and it is asking to upload only the photo and signature. You need to upload the photo and signature, upload the documents, then click on next. Once the document upload is done, you will be redirected to the course details. So you need to select the course, NEET UG, and these are the options. Make sure you have selected correct course, then click on apply. So once the course details is completed, you will be redirected to the payment gateway. So you need to click here to make the payment. After making the payment, download the payment receipt and the final application form. Then your KA registration is done. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and best of luck for all the NEET aspirants from NEET Predictor team.